On this episode of By No Means Am I a Mechanic, I got some info from a guy, and it's just going to help me assist in trying to get this 401 free. It's been sitting since 78, so yeah, it's been sitting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the spark plugs out. I got some what is it? Some Lloyd's lubricant here. What am I using? The high performance penetrating lubricant. And we're going to give that a shot in there. And then I'm going to attach a wrench and whatnot to that. And attach some mechanical leverage and let it sit overnight.